If you service the fluid in your CVT transmission every 30,000 miles, you should go at least 100,000 miles without any major problems.
Subaru's chain-driven CVT has divided the automotive world into two camps. While Honda and Nissan struggle with catastrophic belt failures before 100,000 miles, Subaru claims their lineartronic system solves everything with a heavy-duty chain instead of a fragile belt. But here's what they won't tell you. That chain sits inside a transmission that Subaru quietly extended the warranty on not once, not twice, but across multiple model year ranges spanning from 2010 through 2020. According to verified technical service bulletins and warranty extension documents, Subaru doubled their CVT coverage from 5 years or 60,000 miles to 10 years or 100,000 miles for affected models. In this video, you're about to see exactly which model years are unsafe to buy, which ones require aggressive maintenance to survive, how much a replacement actually costs when you're past warranty, and why Subaru's own product decisions prove they don't trust their CVT technology. This isn't about whether CVTs are theoretically reliable. This is about what actually happens when you tear one apart at 91,000 kilometers and find metallic paste where clean fluid should be. Let's answer this question definitively with evidence, not marketing claims. Here's the answer without corporate double talk. Subaru CVTs are not reliable if you define reliable as matching Toyota or Honda traditional automatic transmissions. 2010 through 2015 models are categorically unreliable with documented widespread failures requiring emergency warranty extensions to 10 years and 100,000 miles. 2016 through 2018 models show moderate improvement but still needed the same warranty protection, proving persistent problems. 2019 through 20 models demonstrate marginal reliability only if you completely ignore Subaru of America's maintenance recommendations and follow either Subaru Japan's 30,000 mile fluid change intervals or Subaru Canada's 60,000 mile schedule. Post-2021 models approach acceptable reliability standards when a manufacturer spends 15 years defending a technology, extends warranties across 10 consecutive model years, then abandons that technology in their flagship models. That's not continuous improvement. That's corporate admission they couldn't engineer reliability into a fundamentally flawed design. Now let me prove this with teardown evidence and actual replacement costs. The teardown evidence, what actually fails. Tearing apart a 2012 Outback TR690 transmission with 91,000 kilometers reveals why Subaru extended warranties. The torque converter lockup clutch shows excessive wear and clutch material contamination at mileage where Toyota CVTs run clean. The oil pan contains metallic paste, not the slight shimmer of normal wear, but actual paste from premature component degradation. This matches verified forum reports of owners finding similar contamination at 60,000 to 80,000 miles on unserviced transmissions. The torque converter lockup system uses a specific solenoid that controls when the converter locks and unlocks. According to documented technical service bulletins, this solenoid fails in a locked position, causing the engine to stall when coming to stops because the torque converter cannot unlock. Subaru revised both the solenoid design and the torque converter bushing to improve fluid drainage. But here's the financial trap. Subaru doesn't sell the solenoid separately. Valve body replacement runs $1,000 to $2,000 just for the part before labor.
Now the problem with these with the torque converter solenoids would go bad and they'd sell you an entire valve body because they don't sell the solenoid separately.
The chain design shows better durability than Nissan's belt-driven systems, using metal piston seals instead of Nissan's problematic rubber seals that disintegrate. But durability means nothing when clutch material from the torque converter clogs valve body passages and oil pump chains. One transmission shop owner confirmed seeing Subaru CVTs with clogged valve bodies from clutch debris at mileage as low as 50,000 miles. The chain might outlast competitors, but it's sharing fluid with components that shed material into a system with only internal filtration. The warranty extensions nobody advertised. Subaru extended CVT warranties across 3 separate model year groups, and most owners never received notification. According to Technical Service Bulletin 16-107-17R, 2010 through 2015 Outbacks, Legacies, Imprezas, Crosstreks, and Foresters received extended extended coverage. Technical Service Bulletin 16-115-18 added 2016 through 2018 models to the list. According to forum documentation verified by Subaru of America Customer Service, 2019 through 2020 models including the Outback, Legacy, Crosstrek, Forester, Ascent, and Impreza received the same 10-year, 100,000-mile CVT coverage extension. Subaru's official statement claims this extension wasn't in response to any specific condition, but rather to provide customers with added assurance regarding CVT function and performance. That's corporate language, for we've seen enough problems to justify doubling the warranty without admitting fault. The affected model years span the entire first decade of Subaru's widespread CVT adoption. When a manufacturer extends warranties across 10 consecutive model years covering their entire lineup, that's not reassurance. That's damage control for a pattern of failures they couldn't ignore anymore. Current models still failing, the 2024 evidence. Forum reports from 2024 and 2025 prove the problems persist. A 2024 Outback Premium required complete transmission replacement at 12,500 miles. A 2024 Ascent failed at 2,300 miles, requiring a new CVT assembly covered under warranty. A 2024 Forester Touring needed transmission replacement at 55,000 kilometers, with owners reporting clicking sounds that dealerships initially dismissed. According to RepairPal data, Subaru earns a 3.5 out of 5 reliability rating, ranking 14th out of 32 brands surveyed with estimated annual repair costs of $617. That's middle of the pack reliability, not the legendary durability Subaru marketing departments advertise. Multiple 2024 Wilderness model owners reported CVT failures within the first year of ownership, with some vehicles showing symptoms as early as 10,000 miles according to Subaru Outback Forum's documentation. The replacement cost when warranty expires. Subaru dealerships quote $7,500 to $12,000 for complete CVT assembly replacement according to verified forum reports from 2024. RepairPal estimates Subaru CVT replacement averages $8,600, making it among the most expensive CVT replacements in the industry. Independent transmission shops report $8,000 to $10,000 for dealer-sourced new units. Use CVT assemblies from salvage yards, cost $2,500 to $3,500 installed, but carry significant risk. Most shops won't warranty used CVTs beyond 90 days because they cannot verify the maintenance history. The valve body alone costs $800 to $1,200 as a Subaru genuine part. Labor for valve body replacement adds another $400 to $800 depending on the model. Torque converter replacement requires engine and transmission separation, adding 6 to 10 hours of labor at dealership rates of $150 to $200 per hour. When you calculate 8 hours at $175 per hour plus a $1,500 torque converter, you're approaching $5,000 for a component Subaru marketing calls maintenance free. That's more than the entire value of some used Subarus. The fluid change lie that destroys transmissions. Here's where Subaru's corporate dishonesty becomes criminal negligence. Subaru of America maintains CVT fluid is lifetime and requires only inspection every 30,000 miles. Subaru Canada recommends replacement every 100,000 kilometers, which equals approximately 62,000 miles. Subaru Japan specifies 30,000 mile intervals for CVT fluid changes. 3 different Subaru divisions, 3 completely different recommendations for the identical transmission in the identical vehicle. The Subaru maintenance schedule states inspect CVT fluid every 30,000 miles or 30 months, but provides no procedure for what inspection actually means without a dipstick. Dealership service advisors confirm there's no inspection process beyond checking for external leaks. According to forum reports verified across multiple Subaru owner communities, some dealerships refuse to perform CVT fluid changes, claiming it voids warranty, while other dealerships recommend changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Subaru can't even maintain consistent guidance within their own dealer network. Here's why this destroys owners financially. Extended warranty companies have denied CVT replacement claims specifically because owners didn't change fluid that Subaru of America claims never needs changing. One Crosstrek owner at 111,000 miles faced a $12,000 replacement cost when Endurance Warranty denied the claim for lack of fluid changes, despite Subaru's official position that fluid is lifetime. Subaru of America then agreed to cover 50%, leaving the owner with $5,000 out of pocket for following Subaru's own maintenance schedule. Bob is the Oil Guy forum analysis of used Subaru CVT fluid at 60,000 miles shows degradation and darkening despite Subaru's lifetime claim. What this means for buyers. If you're buying used, avoid 2010 through 2015 Subaru CVTs completely unless the transmission has already been replaced under warranty. 2016 through 2018 models require verification of warranty extension coverage before purchase. 2019 through 2023 models are acceptable risks only if you commit to 30,000 mile fluid changes, regardless of Subaru of America's recommendations. 2024 and newer models show improvement, but still carry higher failure rates than Toyota or Honda equivalents. If you currently own a Subaru with a CVT, change the fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles using only Subaru High Torque CVT-F regardless of what your dealer claims. Budget $2,000 to $3,000 in savings for potential post-warranty valve, body, or torque converter replacement. Understand that Subaru's lifetime fluid claim has destroyed more transmissions than it's protected. Don't let corporate marketing cost you $10,000. Have you experienced CVT failure in your Subaru? Share your model year, mileage, and whether Subaru covered the repair in the comments. Subscribe for automotive content that prioritizes your financial protection over manufacturer PR campaigns.